Hello students. Students, today I give you the essay on television in daily life. डेली लाइफ में हमारे टेलीविज़न की क्या वैल्यू है, क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, उसके बारे में ऐसे जो है वो आज मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू दैट हाउ टू राइट एन essay. So there are some points. In points we express our views in essay. Now television in daily life, the first point is introduction. Now in introduction, television has become a part of our daily life. People of all age groups, the old, the young, and the children, feel it necessary to watch their favorite programs. Television has reached almost every home in cities and villages. Now, the second point is widely spread. Some years before, there was only one channel, that of Doordarshan. Use of satellites and computer has opened a wide area, and there are so many channels now. The cable TV has placed so much variety of programs. When there was only one channel and limited hours of telecasting, only few people could see its programs. But now programs are available 24 hours. In third point, the variety of programs. On television, we can see a great variety of programs. Besides films, music, dance, etc., there are serials, news, competitive programs, etc. Housewives are helped in cooking, skincare, medical advice, etc. TV plays a part of social reform also. It unites people of different religions and different classes. It helps in removing social evils. Now, the fourth point is advertisement. There are a number of advertisements on TV. People come to know about several things which are useful to them. Our life has also become comfortable. Because of these advertisements, several people have got jobs. It helps the industrialized and merchants to reach the public and sell their products. It has a dark side also. People are indirectly compelled to buy certain products which they don't need. It raises the cost of products and make things costly. Now next point is educative value. Television has proved to be beneficial in spreading education. There are a number of programs which are useful for students, teachers, and learners, and even illiterate persons. Several competitive programs place challenges before intelligent persons and they get more enlightened. Next point is political awakening. Television has made people politically awakened. People come to know the political, economical, and social conditions of the country and the world. News, views, discussions, speeches of several leaders, etc., has awakened us. Now, students, the most important point of the essay is conclusion. Without conclusion, your essay is not complete. Now, in conclusion, television is very useful to us. It entertains us, provides a lot of useful information, and makes our free time full of useful activities. There are certain disadvantages as well. Young persons are misled by copying the artist, wearing obscene dresses, and acting wildly. Children tend to waste a lot of their useful time in watching TV. However, we cannot deny that without TV, a home is only a house having four walls. So here students, this is the this is an essay on advantages of television or educational value of television, or you said that television and its importance. All these topics are come in this essay. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.